Hello and welcome to this video where we're going to talk about crypto gaming and the opportunities that it holds. But first, we'll talk about the basics and then go into detail to give you a brighter version of the topic. Stay tuned with us until the end. You've probably heard of cryptocurrencies, Bitcoin, blockchain, and some other current craze jargon, even if you live under a rock. To different people, cryptocurrency signifies different things. It's popular among some folks, others are terrified by it. Everyone else is simply scratching their heads. Is there anything to this crypto frenzy that's sweeping the investment and gaming worlds? This guide delves into cryptocurrency, starting with an explanation of what it is, blockchain, and how this technology is being applied to video games. There's a lot of action, a little bit of crazy, and a lot of intriguing concepts in this film. This is something you don't want to miss. But here's the thing, no one knows exactly what's going on with cryptocurrencies. The concepts are intriguing, however, they are still uncertain investments. You should be ready to lose any money you invest because that's just how things could shake out. Cryptocurrency is a type of electronic money. It does not have a physical form despite all the fun graphics showing refreshing minted tokens. It has no inherent worth. It's decentralized. That means no central authority controls the supply. No banks or governments may artificially inflate or deflate the value or restrict the amount accessible. Hundreds of cryptocurrencies are also available. Some of them are severe, while others aren't. Cryptocurrencies were created as a consequence of a tangential problem. Bitcoin's creators were attempting to create a decentralized digital cash system, which many people do not believe was conceivable. He came up with a solution that incorporated blockchain and Bitcoin. Cryptocurrencies rely on a peer-to-peer network. The record database is accessible to every peer on the network. This database records every single transaction that has ever occurred, as well as the current balance of each account. Let's say someone gives you 10 Bitcoin. That is the definition of a transaction. The person's private key authenticates the transaction. Following the signing, the next crucial step is confirmation. This is where the miners come in. Transactions are confirmed by miners. To confirm transactions, miners must solve extremely difficult cryptographic riddles, after which they are rewarded with the cryptocurrency token. Thus, the currency earning process is closely linked to cryptography. Every peer on the network receives a record of this transaction once a block is added to the chain. There are only so many coins that can be mined, and each coin is more difficult and sophisticated to mine than the previous one, limiting the number of coins that can be mined in a given amount of time. Cryptocurrencies and blockchain have a lot of interesting aspects. 1. Transactions can happen almost instantly on a worldwide scale, independent of where both parties are located, and they can happen more or less anonymously. Your real-world identity isn't linked to your public key. All of your transactions take place under this string of numbers known as a public key, but you can't tell who the real-life person is just by their public key alias. Number 2. Transactions are final and cannot be reversed. When a miner confirms a transaction, the transaction is recorded on the blockchain indefinitely, forever. There is no such thing as an undo button. This indestructibility is both empowering and scary. Beyond regulating your access to cryptocurrencies by blocking or restricting access to wallet software, a wallet is a program designed to let you hold your crypto coins in a safe, private digital space. No government could stop you from making a transaction or restrict you from accepting a payment in the cryptocurrency space. Banks and governments have control over the quantity and value of fiat currencies, such as the US dollar. Banks and governments have complete control over how you spend your money within the system, blocked accounts, denied payments, and so on. They can depreciate the currency by printing more of it. They have the ability to change interest rates. All of these factors, as well as others, have an impact on the value of your US dollar. Governments and banks have no impact on cryptocurrency prices until members of either body purchase large numbers or sell their coins, causing the market price to fluctuate. But the nice thing about blockchain technology is that if they do sell or buy it, the transaction will be recorded in the blockchain history of those currencies for everybody to see. As the cryptocurrency market grows, it's getting increasingly challenging to keep up with the various investment opportunities available. For some, the most enticing course of action remains attempting to interpret the trends in popular crypto alternatives such as Bitcoin and Ethereum. Others are interested in prospective ups and comers, like as Ripple and Cardano, that make the most sense from a financial standpoint. Others may be more receptive to some of the recommendations we made in our article on the best penny cryptocurrency to invest in 2020. Some investors may be interested in looking at different classes of cryptocurrency in terms of prospective utility, in addition to considering different subgroups of the crypto market. With new digital assets appearing all the time, it's vital to remember that the majority of them are created for a specific reason, and every now and then, a group develops that appears to have real-world value and thus investment potential. This appears to be the case in the gaming industry. For one reason, blockchain technology's potential as a gaming host is being fulfilled. Indeed, VentureBeat.com just revealed a staggering $1 billion valuation for the Forte blockchain game platform. However, we're starting to see a steady appearance of new cryptocurrencies designed exclusively for gaming applications. These are trends that are most likely only getting started, but they have a lot of potential. And for that reason, we thought it was about time to identify some promising gaming cryptocurrencies worthy of investment consideration. Enjin is no laughing matter. This is a gaming community that is already large and growing, most recently thanks to a Microsoft partnership. Enjin's goal is to effectively blur the distinctions between digital assets with real-world value and in-game assets. Enjin is already assisting in the infusion of precious NFTs into Microsoft's popular game Minecraft. However, the community is also supporting its own coin, Enjin Coin, as it continues to evolve. Enj is currently trading at around $1.4 per share with a market capitalization of $1.17 billion, and it has a substantial growth potential thanks to its growing gaming connections. Game Credits was created with the goal of making in-game purchasing easier, more dependable, and universal. While a coin like Enj has the ability to provide real-world value to video game assets, there is a distinction to be made. Game is more aimed on acquiring additional gaming content through payment processors, as many people do now, or credit cards linked to gaming accounts on consoles or mobile devices. We think it's a good investment because if it can become the standard for these kind of transactions, it'll become one of the more useful day-to-day cryptocurrencies. Game is now trading at $0.145 with a market capitalization of $20.4 million. CoinPoker is one of the most exciting gaming-related cryptocurrency projects we've seen. There has been discussion for several years that cryptocurrencies will become the new normal in online poker play. As the poker industry stands now, this would be substantial, but the potential is considerably larger. As detailed in depth in a poker.org post on cryptocurrencies and online poker, there's a chance that crypto poker gaming will vastly improve Americans' capacity to play real money games without breaching the law, thereby reopening the poker sector in the United States. While none of this is certain, CoinPoker is currently in a strong position to take advantage of the opportunities. This is a blockchain gaming platform that facilitates games by using a combination of stablecoins, cryptocurrencies, and its native CHP token. CHP is now trading at $0.02001 with a market capitalization of $5.5 million. At Blockchain Gamer Biz, Lonomi is described as a platform that is revolutionizing the way games are created and played. And this basic definition actually reveals a lot about the technology's position as one of the most comprehensive realizations of what crypto in gaming really means. Ionomy is a blockchain platform that allows game developers to create innovative games that use Bitcoin to incentivize players, collect payments, and even award prizes. The platform has already spawned and improved a number of intriguing games, and it's only getting started. Meanwhile, Ionomy's native digital token, ION, is likely the most well-known cryptocurrency discussed here. Currently, ION is worth roughly $0.02474, with a market cap of nearly $339,000. Mobile Go is the final gaming cryptocurrency we'll discuss, and it's a fascinating instance. It's simply a modified version of game credits that's already in use in hundreds of online games, and it's based on the Ethereum network. Mobile Go, like the broader game credits concept, is meant to make it easier for people to buy in-game content and improvements using Bitcoin. And because it's already linked to a number of popular titles like World of Warcraft, Call of Duty, and others, it's gained significant value even outside of the game credits umbrella. As of this writing, MGO is currently trading at $0.02188 with a market size of nearly $2.1 million. As you can see, there are a lot of interesting concepts coming out of the intersection of Bitcoin and gaming. Furthermore, these notions are already valuable and have real-world implications for gamers. While there's no such thing as a sure thing in cryptocurrencies, there's something to be said about looking at these game-related coins as an investment option. That was all from our side. See you all until next time.